I'm gonna show you the digital footprint when they get left in the world and go like to share class people. Wait. I'm gonna show you the digital footprint when she left in the world and to share class people.
For the culture.
For the culture.
Exactly, for the culture. Out of many one people.
For the culture. For the culture. For the culture.
For the culture. Play the song. No, play the song. So before we get into the video, people more for introducing it to this new class, you know what I mean? This Forex trading class that you could take. You could take a quick a course, a small coaching, you know, quick 2-day workshop, teach you how to trade the Forex market and make some money. Okay, so if you have a 9 to 5 and it's not working out properly, you could take a coaching and invest some of your money. You could learn, and because it all takes risk management, you know, so I want to go over to the TikTok page. It's called Net AdSense, and also you have an Instagram for it. Net AdSense, you know what I mean? You can learn to trade the Forex market and make some money, you know. It's the first time I've introduced this to anybody, and I think I should, you know, let y'all know, because people out here, I know people out here have a 9 to 5 and that they would like to, you know, upgrade their income to a different level and start a business, probably quit their job soon and make something out of life. You know what I mean? So just check the Instagram and the TikTok, and from there you could shot them a DM, text them a message, and they'll respond to you. You know what I mean? So make we tap into the video right now.
Yeah. Them family long see because I love to make. Girl, we don't want to hear them the story there, because you're not come with facts. Cho. You're not done for say, because I don't know who grip me down here. You're not no sense. You should have called a friend and asked a friend that. Run with the rumors, the man. Run with the rumors, the man. Run with the rumors, the man. Run with the rumors. Nyam pussy Shay. Nyam pussy Shay, run with the blood clot rumors. Wait the chat, me go for something on my phone. Leak and weak. Yeah. I'm gonna show you the digital footprint when they get left in the world and go like to share class people. Wait. I'm gonna show you the digital footprint when she left in the world and to share class people. I want to find on my phone. Send back your mother pussy, man. Send back. When you send back your mother saliva, Shay, me send back my mother man. But for now, me I keep my mother man because your mama saliva dry up in your hole. Yeah. Me I keep my mother man because you can't send back the saliva. No time. You gonna can't win me? Because I look for the sweet, my man. We can't even find it. Phone a load. Send back your mother saliva out to your big stinking pussy. Only can class girl, I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you who we argue with. I'm gonna show you the ratness you argue with girl. I'm gonna show you the ratness you argue with blood clot girl. Send back your mother saliva. Send back your mother saliva in her mouth. Cause the first pussy your mama suck her yearns. And your mama turn in a one dirty sodomite. Your mother saliva last night, your big stinking pussy, you can't send it back. So me go keep my mother, man. Me go keep my mother, man. Me not stop take my mother, man. Cause your mama saliva last night, your thinking crutches. Send off them here first. Me go keep my mother, man. Me go keep my mother, man. Me go keep my... And them a dirty mad girl I want argue with people. Them a dirty mad girl I want argue with people. Them a dirty mad dirty girl I want. What a dirty girl? And them a dirty mad girl I want argue with people. But Anna need to clean that. And I clean that. And them a dirty mad girl I want argue with blood clad people. Them the dirty mad girl I want argue with you. Look who want argue with you. Eh? Look who want argue with you on TikTok. Shay, you know the levels back then and now. And then the mad gal want argue with people. Look pan Shay back in the days. Oh, Shay nasty and dirty and cranny and think. And them they want argue with people. Shay don't feel like say me up on the same level. If you fuck your mother, man, well fine. Me not ask about your past. But it's like how you give it to me, I take it. Me fuck my mother, man. Look for your mama saliva in your big stinking rotten black dirty hole. And that people look underneath to look. And people are buy cream for you. Yesterday the digital footprint we left in the blood clot world. Ever see me like that yet, Shay? Me a diva. Shay ever see me like that yet? Shay ever see me like that yet? No time. Your class a gal for you. Your class let's dirty dog. Eh?
There was put back that there. They have come put back the video. Put back your video. Send me it. Put it back and put back your picture.
You want it? Mama send it.
You can't give me please when I post it. What I not share that there. Rose, I can't tell her.
Shay.
Rose, you not have to stop it, bro.
Me have them in my phone. Me have all it in my phone. Me go send it.
Rosalee, you have to stop telling her upon the girl. That nice girl like the Rosalee. Not do that sitting there, Rosalee. You're too wicked. Stop telling her upon the girl, man, Rosalee. You need to stop it, bro. So bleach, Rosalee.
Shay.
So bleach. Make sure
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
But I not share that there, Rosalee. Me not believe you. Send me it. Put it back, Rosalee. Well, let me come down. Let me come down so you can show better. Hold on.
Shay.
Oh, me come down. Take me down there, me can.
I'm going to send it to you.
No, well, put it back no Rosalee. Me.
You want to put it back, I'm going to send it to you.
Put it back and me or come down. Put it back one, your life. Put it back, no, please. Put it back no Rosalee, just put it back. No, put it back no Rosalee.
I have all for them in my phone. Shay. Upon her face. Shay. This one argue with me. Look on it, Blamdem. Ashi. And then a girl want me say want argue with me. I go for the rest of them on my phone. Then me could have buy cream for you. Me could have buy cream from you. Is zero Shay? Zero Shay. Me could have buy them the girl there. Over here, take what them take from what them not take.
Rosalee, why you not behave yourself, Rosalee? You know, say, be ever
Never
say,
for the rest of them mama have. Dirty Shay.
but, hold on there. Rascal, Shay. We don't take a chop off fight same way. We don't take a chop off fight same way.
Mad girl Shay.
Oh, that's why I got the woman, because it's no man no want that.
No, when
When you
man
see
want
say
something
Shay,
like that.
but all them a say something not right, that Shay not right. Big dirty stinking careless Shay. You know, you ever hear saying say, dance a yard before you dance abroad. Shay, when you go
Exactly.
dance under you
And if
before you
Shay
dance
dance,
under other
if Shay is
people.
like that,
People, me tell this
if
to
Shay,
people, if you learn, if you smart.
hold
Shay,
on there, if
Shay go
Shay
dance under you
lifestyle and
first before
Jamaica
you
is
can
that,
dance
wait till I'm going
abroad.
to go do a foreign.
Dance a yard, then after you can dance abroad. Blood clot and they want dance up. And then you want little dancing. Dance a yard before you dance abroad. Dirty thinking, Shay. And they want little dancing. You want extra cream on there, man, Shay. And then you pitchy patch, 3 color, 4 color, 5 color. Put it up at Rosalee, let me see how much color. Me not see much color yet. Hold
It's
on.
in your phone.
Alright, hold on. Me have to go come live, Rosalie. Let me come live.
It's in your phone.
Me I come live. Me I come live then. Hold on.
I look for the receipt. I look for the receipt. Yeah. Come on, out of the out of come. I don't want to skip past it, you know. One thing about that phone, it can save memory in a blood clot, you know. It in a food, man, wait. And a destiny time now. And a destiny time now.